Are you struggling to write sales letters to sell your products such training, coaching, ebook, or any other products of your own? Are you frustrated because you get stuck on what to write, how to persuade, and what are the right words to write in your sales letters and other things? Or are you trying to write sales letters that resonate with your buyers, but frankly speaking, you are stuck? If so, you are not alone, because many are struggling to write persuasive sales letters that convert readers to buyers. Introducing Sales Letter Box, your private ATM. Sales Letter Box is a package of 70 of my own high-performing sales letters for internet marketing. Here are some of the topics contained in the Sales Letter Box: info businesses, production creation, conversions, email writing, automation, sales funnels, coaching programs, private label rights, traffic generation, list building, copywriting, autopilot, membership sales letter, and 60 more. Yes, the struggle of writing sales letter is real for many. Here is the thing, you may be struggling right now to write high-performing sales letters, but imagine if you had 70 sales in a whole bunch of the internet marketing niches to choose from. Of course, it will make your life simple and easy. I can only imagine how much faster I might have progressed if I could have started with this starter pack of sales letters. And not only are there sales letters that are easy to adapt to any internet marketing niche or even any other niche, but Sales Letter Box includes some of our private label rights sales letters, our package sales letters, and some of our personal story types that sell big dreams. So you can get ideas for packaging your own training together to sell. So you can get ideas for selling private label rights. So you can get ideas for writing big dream emails. How would you use Sales Letter Box? You can use them to copy ideas, sales lines, intro lines, closing lines, closes, guarantees, anything you want to copy. You can use any sales letter as is to sell your own product. For example, if you have a product in a similar or same niche, you can just copy my sales letter and make few small changes like your name, price, name of the product, and so on. You can use these to study what makes for great sales letters. Imagine if you just read 70 sales letters in one sitting. How much more would you understand about sales letters after reading 70 sales letters word for word? Who can use Sales Letter Box? Product owner, coach, marketer, business owner, copywriter, affiliates, anyone who wants to make money online, and so on. 3 easy steps to use Sales Letter Box. 1. Secure your access of the Sales Letter Box, your private ATM. 2. Choose the sales letter copy that fits your product or niche. 3. Make few edits such your name, the price, and sell. How much can you save with Sales Letter Box? If you hire someone to write a single sales letter for you, it's going to set you back anywhere from $100 for a basic letter from a beginner to $500 for a decent letter from a consistent writer to $10,000 or more for high-performing copy from an expert. Let's imagine you were to commission each of these letters for just $300. You would invest $21,000 for these 70 letters. This is a huge money that would serve a build-a-good business. For instance, I would not let you do that, of course. My Sales Letter Box is a game changer. You use all the 70 copies as your own and save thousands of dollars. Besides, you can make a lot of money in selling copywriting service in platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, etc. In case you don't feel like selling copywriting services, you are going to do one better. You are going to use these to swipe, copy, and write your own sales letters, saving yourself $300 to $10,000 every time you write a sales letter. So, in some sense, it's worth more than $21,000 to you. So I want to make this a real no-brainer, and I could sell this package for $500 or $1,000 or more. But for a limited time only, I am running special offer pricing on this, so that I have dropped the price, and each time someone buys, the price goes up. So instead of $21,000, or even $5,000, or $500, you are getting 70 sales letters for less than $1 each. So as a review of what you are going to get inside Sales Letter Box: 70 my best sales letters you can swipe, copy, and reuse my words or even the whole sales letters. Hear what you can do with Sales Letter Box. You can use them to copy ideas, sales lines, intro lines, closing lines, closes, guarantees, anything you want to copy. You can use any sales letter as is to sell your own product. For example, if you have a product in a similar or same niche, you can just copy my sales letter and make few small changes like your name, price, name of the product, and so on. You can use these to study what makes for great sales letters. Imagine if you just read 70 sales letters in one sitting. How much more would you understand about sales letters after reading 70 sales letters word for word? This is a powerful asset ever seen in Warrior Plus. It will change the way you write sales letters. It will make it easier for you to launch a new product every month. Lastly, SALESLETTER Box will change things for you in 2022. And with 70 sales letters to start reading and studying, you can grow fast and immediately into a better sales letter writer. Don't miss this huge opportunity that you will not find anywhere in the market.